The Belize Sugarcane Farmers Association's active youth initiative in Fairtrade sugarcane production in Belize was officially launched on Wednesday morning in San Roman Village.
As an organization, we have been doing a number of strides to try to get to this point. We have been doing a number of programs that have been including youth since 2015, and this would mark the systematic change in the organization now, because it's now not only a project that we're executing, but now we're trying to institute that we are able to include them even at the decision-making aspects.
B.S.C.F.A. and Fairtrade International are collaborating to develop a youth-inclusive policy for the association. To date, consultations have been held with key stakeholders, 9 focus group discussions have been held, and 93 youths from 11 communities in northern Belize have been consulted.
On the focus group that we conducted through various areas in the north that are sugarcane farmers cultivation, we found that there are vulnerabilities that youth encountered. And one of them is that it's alarming to see that youth are engaging more into crime and delinquency, and we want to convert, or we want that energy to be into a productive way, into sugarcane or into the agriculture sector, so that it creates a sustainable Belize.
To date, what do you find are some of the challenges that are preventing youths from being more engaged in the sugarcane and agriculture, or more so, what are the challenges that they are seeing?
Well, one of the challenges that is important to note is that it is tradition that one land is passed to their offspring, so it is difficult for a new youth to access a land. And there is where the government should also form part to help and assist in providing lands to youth.
Other challenges that youth cited during consultations include limited productivity due to a lack of finances, shortage of labor, poor conditions of roads used to transport sugar, low wages, and discrimination based on gender and political affiliations.
We have more youth in our world today than ever before. However, a large proportion of them are not in employment, not in skills development, or not in business opportunities. Young people are 3 times more unlikely to be employed than their adults. So Fairtrade is concerned about the next generation of farmers, farm workers, traders. So when interviewing producers in Fairtrade, we understand that the average age is increasing and young people are not interested in agriculture. So this creates a problem not only for Fairtrade, but for the world.
The vision for B.S.C.F.A. Youth Inclusive Policy is to empower young people in sugarcane production and agricultural communities for participation in B.S.C.F.A.'s decision-making process. Andy Westby, the chairman of B.S.C.F.A., says the association is serious about executing the policies that will be drawn out from this initiative.
B.S.C.F.A. is very serious because we have more than 5 years investing in these policies and remediation in the youths now. So that's why we are very interested to help them with their way of thinking, their way of learning, their experience, their advanced studies that they made, and with our experience to help them make better decisions for us on the day of tomorrow. Of course, we have to listen to them, even if it has to be a part of in the board's meeting also to listen to them and to help us also make better decisions by the way they see things, no? And so jointly, I think this will be the way for the B.S.C.F.A. and respected to the youths to be part of the B.S.C.F.A. and for our future generation, also for Belize and for the nation and country.
Reporting for News 5, I am Paul Lopez.